English you can live in. Table tidy. Oops, I spill my drink on the floor. I say, excuse me, and mop up more. The waiter smiles. No big deal, he says. I nod and laugh, then wipe the mess. Fork drops. I pick it up with care. Say, sorry, quick, and people stare. If food's cold, I politely explain. They fix it fast. I smile again. Take out, mix up. I keep my cool. I call the shop. Follow the rule. Being polite keeps the vibe light. Accidents happen. It's all right. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.